kajai bari posting kamare maslata to kajai itu mumina programu mbak mas kam bismillahirrahmanirrahim bala fila ate mare masatla ba nga ku fa alhamdulillah rabbil alamin ni temmenna be korda min kono jang tumando hanim mafo bari nale ni long maybe nale aje anyata ka sutene jumalum ninti nte tara CV fola bare mbani nin kala nin kala jabiro wata mila tema and be kuma jamalle nin kala jam yalo ko will be very fair enough fair pour que question nin ka bawo wala mutala ethics ladul be benal ladul be sabala nyonta benal ladul bari ate you will be there to defend himself and defend whatever ndenga nin ka minna wala nin karo jabiro remember be ko question o jabi bari nkai nin karo ke akumayata abetiata kamol be tentong atel nyam ko atel lon kanun deldi milen ko wato wati alkataran fe pour kaje ko programme woni alkaji be na YouTube channel to Facebook and TikTok and la ko to mba folo kala barka bake ga cenjara mar kala wato min jani mbetu wala mol min fana yoko bela my to send pressing kala tano to la ko ngol be ala dan fo anyim ajama so boy kan anyim may le kan commental be nyamin mbetu wala banko fala la kairo tenkun anin nyatota anin bankuto malbe mi yanko non duwa talti mi yanko en temmenna be fola bari atal mun yanko alkan jibe ba fola ko ala baraka bake alkal katakol membe nyax determinato APRC bable mansa bimbe wala ya mi yalanko anene sojera kale bedana wala moro ni mbar
Prince nene Prince Boja
famo ketale
ngalon ifilita CDC re fo fintetan
ndara fo kubaro kolomba fo min don defa malo ndara fo kubaro kolomba ndara bar hono mala kam na hono bul tubani kala o jele de
no wa be jele
al kala jele because mala kam nyen filta ndara fin fo kubaro ko fo ntama fo dam fo ngam borto fo la fo defo fo nyal ke jogo be kalom fo dam so almost no ngame nga 2 hours ke janne la men ko no borna be kalom fe dam yara fante bura dami fang ani te dami to commence dami Marseille ni te dami is less than even 5 meters 5 minutes drive but I drive for almost like 2 hours rotating from one place to another nin ko janno jami min be janto ko tabana
jami CDC Dorong Kabilo Jang is a new settlement and establishment. We have almost about 7 mosques here. So this is the first mosque.
Ndata mbida janale ndata janna ni kamenen kundumal tamira janna
ela masingole diata because sani moto fang lenyi masingole tariata moto
masingole somda ningo modole ko no ndara num basele no kara side visit le no e ka banyo ko no masingo no but apetata ala tentu bake ndara base setana e ndara la jamale to ja fam ndara da meron ko nga agriculture jeto men ko ay nyabo bak I wish being a millionaire I'm going to invest those kind of farming mi yalon ko right now tenteng ate is the biggest rice farm in the Gambia mane femi water mane feed beti Gambia jan science and mi yalon ko is going to be like 24/7
ite mi longen jamano kono babil masala jamano babil masale seno murda jamare Prince ngamere we will go ngamere nakacha be dan nakacha dinge manke 1 year ti amanke 2 years ti this is going to be for life why because generations are coming, they want to know how Gambia started. Ila do ko minna don joko betit barajo bijele ibe jihad wala Prince ntele nyakare determinator jumala nyaksi determinator alhamdulillah rabbil alamin assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh my royal prince Nene Bojang Namela, today is going to be my first time and ninga moja banta it captures my brain for lachirade. Happy to welcome you to Lamin CDC in my compound.
Thank you very much.
Mistering jande nkangore kana audio moile
we met several programs me along one of the program in Jerendia I met you and then I think another program in Brikama also we met. But Nenemang Fenke, Alumina Fana Yatama was coming from UK
from
and
UK.
Then, you met welcome.
You came there with your drone. That was surprising. Prince, in Terminator, I was born in the 4th of April 1978 in a village called Bajiran at the borderline. Bajiran, Fufo, Dimbaya, Busra, Jiboro, all baby the same length. They call us borderline.
So Bajiran after around Busra?
Around Busra. I did my schooling in Busra Primary School.
Okay.
That's where the Terminator was born. Prince, I am Babukar Sane. I have a lot of nicknames. But my father called me Buba Sane. Buba mean Abubakar. But ako, inte toma Abubakar Siddiq. Ama mumo soto abatola la ntelena manki Abubakar Siddiq. The reason to my father, ngani ninkale munati na eben tola because yale dinde ya wato ika menne ye tolom. Ban fana ngam fanyi ninka munati na eben tola nyakare babu nakafam Babukar Sane. Akaye Abubakar Siddiq kila la saibo. Ayin tola la walala. Because they once told him kum wululal na ka futuo na bi futuo muso nyinela amake bi moral tede komboja kunda moro yalo boja kunda la stakarole siatal buru na si budni jengo jadin si bodan
non de la muria mange muria tulundi de
wuliol balkono de
nada kasama sate do bije sai sante sai sante na kalifo basiri njeto
jamala wodi
eti alon
mimbe binjona
butung
ngasali ala jamu
bismillah banda kubal
yalon ko sonko nyol jomay fay nyol ka walena sambi sama la siara be sial
mashallah
Prince Kabirim Menta, I can remember my life history when I was 7 years.
7 years old.
Back. I am entering my 50s. Nini fama be dokola wulokono. Sometimes I pose a lot of questions to my father. And akakuma jabale fonye pour be. Prince, home training starts from your father and your mother.
Very important.
Mandin kolko if keba sito akaminge dini ngoloto bukaje. But mom fama la sito akaminge. Ndela dini wala loto bilembe ojeka. Akakumo mimfonye. Ise haki loto. Ise sabarota. Sako sinyo ya. Ako hani ala ay sinyo ya bunyale. Ako isinyo hanale ne yala ngaiboje kanafo comme ite ma fo nyame ya sutra ida muslimo o amanke muslimoti nate yala ngaiboje afo ako alaba ponislam hani londo be bulu kana wo londo ta yemul emphasize kabol tinya mune mo yote mandika kango Chris, I mean, you journalist, you will not.
But now for a big question job, we cannot.
You go book a question job, be similar.
Make a question job. But what you eat? Will
you mum alala terror? Alaman kafunyo soto de bara terror soto.
Kukende barala.
Kukende barala. Bunije nka bunije la kaundo le kode. Because bunije la kaseti ya min plenyim ala balwo kono me ala ko amandu natulo kono
eka bunje la mo
la ilaha illallah Prince na balwo be nga bunije wala mtala mentote pour kadino lon kala lon fama yen dundi qur'ano to kabirim be menkan bare pour ka lon mudem alati qur'ano katenyadi jumalem alati inyanta ala batula nyame ngabele lon bunije la kawando Bunije na ala kawando afula ko anene tata one symposium in Nusrat High School. Ya biye bendi gele ako student dole ya nyene nka kae bunije. Ikamule ko alala woliyo. Munem alala woliyoti. Fo alala woliyo be kerene bam. Ika ala batulenye ka ala ika ini ala ka kacha nyadele. Fo malo sibomu is a spiritual gift.
Sibo
ha. Setan sibo bijele. Ina ka kende sibo bijele. Foi buka sibo, Prince.
Buka sibo.
Ha wombe mu karamol sibo. Spiritual knowledge. Ako do bije ka sibo ala ye samba dulato ebe shoota na filola. Wom sori ballet. Anabila Ibrahim kamimo wom ala la terlete fa fatale. Amanfa according to history iko alala terolem annabila Ibrahim kamim moy in Saudi iko ako alala tero ako ite ala ite ko inte mi teroleti inte bukeja and ko argena le be kere mi alon ko is one of the best ite min dañi after this world ako have kere ne ako angel Jibril Ibrahim annabila Ibrahim Samba Jaita ita argena jibe ba alon ko argena be kere after this world iko kabira Ibrahim Futata Jah ko amala fika sena ni watu sita kai ala ko watu sita nyete mulle dunia kono ako afonte nte tala ndenga na ngalo mune be janga muru njara batabe dame ngile mtele mnyakareti Babukar Sane
nyakareti tamine
I was very close to my father and fama ala ya sole bare ala soro ntede min suti atata ngalonde bare maybe sinyoya dolta lonna dol balonna fama buka tonyoroke one day ni pareta I will take you to where my nyakareti terminator was born you see what na fama min bimbe balu ka wala bajira
fama medo
fama is a farmer is a hunter aka nyin kafin leke aka kudale lese aka kulungol lese aka fenja bale data bante mala mechota nte ko I want to be a soldier. My father born me to be a soldier.
So you soldier kala
Prince janembe futala woto because iko amanke one day job being in Terminator Center nyola be today on the 3rd of May 2025. I will put it in my diary. America lamin tamba isawas banta bala moyle. We started it on a Sunday. We started on a Saturday. Andung jama yuko ne ko start Saturday aka repeat la. Sibito. Wala ndol ko ne lafta ka transfer ila korda ko ne bukata sibiti lungode ila fanson kordato ba ni kata luwaso soto ta sibito lebe transfer fe ila korda so ba ni be taw sawda ila korda ko kana taje sibiti lungode tene lungo arameso dimaso bar kana taje sibito ni arabo
so sibito ni arabo lon betea
awge lungo be betea ala ya wala yale molle ma beteandi molle ya beteandi
yeah
nde kabiri wuluta 1978 according to my father wulungo fan kabiri nte be jila nyin dunya kono wo ya tara wulo kono demola atata demola minan demola ko yalon demo so do kata ye sutola dol bi ye kata tilbula bara ngamera I don't went up to that extent fon wuluta tilbola ban fo wuluta sutola la bara ko wo ya tara demola bara kabira be wulo kono felle findita ko alon ko ay muso min tunan so kono kono bala jidita
ajida wala nyakare
di terminator buba sana.
How do you get this terminator name, and then how do you get that name Nyakare? Because your name is Babukar and your name is Bubakar, your name is Bubakar Siddiq. Where did you get that name Terminator and Nyakare?
Baraka Prince nyinin karo bete abatale promote salong osmomo ay biography le soto and we be min keta kikante ale nyin sibo be yitanina kasoto. My legacy will be in the YouTube, will be in the TikTok, and in the mantra baluri. Ning my great grandchildren yaje, they will know that they are from me. Kabiri Wuluta, I went to school in 1986.
Which of the school?
Busra Primary School. I started from primary school. I don't start from nursery school. Busra Primary School from Bagiran to Busra is roughly about 4.5 or 4 kilometers. The dindi ya watu nkatama wale to and fro. Ne Busra long. Busra Primary School.
I know Busra.
My school ngana school in Kawato. My first teacher was Mr. Usman Koli from Marakisa. We have two Kolis from Marakisa. You have Usman, you have Kalilu, then you have the other teacher who taught me in school, Mr. Bate from Kaur. Amake bis karamote de. Woto moninto later school in Ikalipale. Because teachers all school la kuluo bijele, parental kuluo bijele, society kuluo bijele, and then senior ya mansala kuntola woto mo mansa makanya mansala. Mansa faunye police oje. Ntola watu ndo man tene buka soja, ntene man soja roje. na dindi ya watu ane sojaro ne oje o sate kono ite fanka borle ye mabo
right
because Bansalem sako iko kari saba police you respect your teacher, you respect your brothers during tola time. So I was going to school. My first teacher was Mr. Ibu Koli, Nakafang Usman Koli. He taught me in primary 1 with Mr. Bate, primary 2, Kalilu Fanayan Tikle. My primary 3, 4, and 5, and 6 was Juma Baji from Talinding. And my last teacher from primary school was Mr. Ibu Nyasi Afele Penya. Ibu Nyasi. He can able to tell you what I'm telling you. Nkungo alate kumbadin na vepare fente tarlaje. Na miraro, my IQ is very sharp. I have a very, very sharp IQ which I can able to remember. So covering my first exams in Busra Primary School, I get about 233. Some few marks for me to have a high school mark. So Mr. Ibu Nyasi and Commander Kai, you have to repeat your primary 6. Nkai waya Kai, I'm seeing your future tomorrow. You have to go to high school. Don't be in a haste to go to either secondary school. Come ila school made do tata, class made do tata, repeat. And I also took his advice and I repeat primary 6. Then nga exam okay, I came with flying colors. Then he select me 3 schools. Nusrat, Gambia High, and in Kindred of Bottrop Technical High School, Bombada. Romoro Bombada was, I think it was in 1990, Bombada Lota. So 91, the first bag, 92, 90 first bag, 91, it was the second bag. Told them the second bag of Bombada.
So you went to Bottrop?
I went to Bottrop. Bottrop, Ike Sar was our principal by
Ike Sar.
Ibrahim Ike Sar from Lamen here. Very strict somebody. Ntolnga Ike Sar Tarage at Bottrop. Alpha Khan was at Brikama Secondary School. America Alpha Khan Moil. Hardliner. Me alon ko wale ka wura ka for student wona ka de mu kelelati. Na ko pengo sel nyola bang. For your future tomorrow. Nene.
Ake wura.
Ake ha. Yalen student dol biye ke camera hani ala le no. But Alpha Khan fa ken na wuran nearly is not a problem. You are not going for a suspension. Mbalo na yet headmaster de lipa. Otumo school, you will never see a student come here kumo kenyame. Or less yabe kunto aitenya o yekumo nuko. And by force, your uniform, you will never put your uniform when the sat is flying. You have to stock it. Kawaso nyanta kula le.
Una science talking sa okasoto.
You are a journalist. You have to go and see some of the schools.
Yeah, first talking Kasoro science. I want to know. First talking Kasoro science. Talking aning comb your hair. Because I didn't know Japan kada karamore no. Dulu rasa le pangkara mesu le kada karamore.
Tulu
so sinya jelu no so. Ida tulu so, you know. It has
Karasta debe
ko kaloto. It has school auto with no fly so you can understand. Normal shoe, slippers. If you can understand. I can remember during my school time, you know, you have to go with books whatsoever. You have to stock in and then you have to iron your clothes. Because if not, near the inspection or class or comic, everybody stand up. If you're in those kind of if you mess any of those targets, you are in trouble. The simplest thing is about what I go. Yet a classroom teachers will classroom will be like room B. It had got no the that's what Mr. Jammeh, he was an ex-soldier. No way would okay for Sandro. Mr. Jammeh, you can't play okay for Sandro. Mr. Jammeh came for Sandro.
Manana okay.
Yeah, Jammeh, Yarutamate, but Jammeh Benung Amile after long Fengita, Botnanji, and was stressed by school demo. Jammeh, I suffer okay, killing flame. I could do understand it. I know. I can fly. You do understand? I know. So when you have to understand why. man nim mo be ba understand ma understand. You must explain.
Yale, maybe during somebody's childhood time, somebody knew some type of teachers like Soto, like your parents or your brother or your neighborhood. Ake kuluwa nyama babu na kuriyata le.
No, jammi wota mo hani kera nyawo nyama. No matter what you are stop, kera nyawo nyama. Ni funny man ta school. But if you go to the campaign school, one thing, we finding a flood. I'm teach. Wali kera nyawo nyama by force be regular.
Kak.
No, wal buka jantang, wal buka janjibi. They have to.
Anu ikeli pale.
They don't care.
So what for mo liparo police what mo mansamatra keri.
Anyway, man sabe care but it's a matter of like school or instruction or pool kata nyama so
No, Mr. Nene.
Parents will panaga.
Royal Prince Nene.
Just the terminator.
Nene kacha bale made. Andu nyin kacha te dan nabi.
Nin kacha ambale fla ka continue le. To franka na bele van kacha nin continue because la fete kata for almost like for Babil Mansala 2016 danda damage. From there, after 2016, what next? From 2016 to 2017, Gambia Benyadi. From 2017 to 2018 to 2021 presidential election. Fabakar running APRC Karanyadil. What happened there? We would like to talk about it. APRC, Dolko Kaito Fabakar Buru, Dolko Jamel Tam. Bari APRC, Jama Bako Jamel Tam, Jamel APRC. But B, Nina the Luala Fanaka Froko, Fabakaro. Even last meeting kata jere ni sanya iko in fact nalta the APRC name use for this jail to arrest you people because of our APRC name use. You would like to hear all those things. One of the main supporter from Babil Mansa, Baitullah Sani, right now he is nowhere to be found. Ununo le caring amatatale amankendaya ima kalamta abetenne. If Nyakara knows something about Baitullah, you must tell us. Dolko in 2026 presidential election, asake Babil Mansa Tatarajang, Yatamba was leading Yatamba Bonde. In fact, some people even say that Babil Mansa and Nyakara Baile coming to buy from the party. Also, Dolko, in fact, Lamin Tamba is trying to form another political party from somewhere. So, Kool Siata, APRC, APRC Miyalonko, Akata, one of the biggest parties. About a man but it's a very, very strong whole party Miyalonko, near Kumandoroke, if I don't Kafolonko, APRC Mamata. Iko alla rally dolbi miyanko back in days, Nale Akadawood Alda Marako Dal Fandi. We saw Rambo Jata, Miliaranko, Ilota Liatandiko, Lungurum Babil, Mansalota Janto, Aya Simolo Janto, Nimomo Koiba Aresla, water airport will be down, and then all those things.
Today they change their
what has happened.
Wahid.
Isn't that for APRC a treat Nyami Wallman better for the Lajako political is about interest? Ujamal be cool economy alonko, we were talk about it. And ning alliance. Mbabe Kacharan. And APRC la main kill Milianonko during after Babil Mansa Tata, will the APRC Sambang. Jamal Bije will Tata Baro. But Dol Bije, yes, still Yatandiko, we have to be loyal to Babil Mansa. It had a National Assembly Carter for they came with 5 seats. 5 seats Solfanakono. As we are talking today, another seat is minus. That's Bakari. So Dolko Bakari Ajelko Jame will not come back. Wala sabuko atelafta purka APRC take over kajako ka APRC samba because Jamme have to be in line with Mansakunda and whatsoever purka jako Jamme nana but he's not seeing those signs or at my political party law. Dolko know what Bakar did was a wrong decision. Bakar Tatale I cook without telling Babil Mansa because he used Babil Mansa's name purka palaso. Dolko nako no Bakari mo bangkodi to come Babil Mansa bangkodi. So I rise to the Pruka political party form towards 2026. Dolko from Bakara we know 2026 na kera all be jamme febola because Bakare Balafaso jamme dina nilmbesiri. So nimbe mbabe kacharal. But right now tenting be kacha from busal daming you talk about your schooling, you talk about being Janjika schooling bang. Ila from me and I went to Bottrop Senior Secondary School. From Bottrop Senior School, Secondary School, ita mean.
Thank you very much, Nene. Ila nying kacha nying 1 year ta banda, 2 years ta banda. Because ikadula jawa bale manim fotata Babil Masala. My hero, the African hero, the Gambian hero, which made Gambia to be Gambians. Gambian people to be proud. That is Babil Masa. I am there to say it anywhere in the world. Talk less, the biggest gathering in the world, that is the United Nations, and the second largest gathering, the OIC. Ninga o chance to ni ala nengo dina punga loje. I will praise Babil Masa nyande beduna katako. Because ngalo na emine Kenyan.
You were very close to Babil.
I was. I will show you evidence.
I saw there are some pictures that you sent, and then that's convoy.
It minje the convoy, but intending Babil Masa hani domoro na domoro to a totu akadina ngalaba.
Yaya Jammeh.
President Yaya Jammeh ajara to Assombi Bojan Demane Suleiman Junko Jammeh. The only son Assombi Bojan Mesoto. Na doko ke na anala biological mother. And I also work with President Jammeh Adingo. Ulatine nga fengo fwe ya Jemena Bama and President Jammeh. I am going to tell you between Nteni Allah Nina Kaburo.
Akam demanta nyendla kafoko because you are supporting Jammeh. Imanta nyendla you gonna say between any other thing.
Ni anin Kaburo tema. I wish all your these cameras heavy weapons. Pour nga fengo for either fable to Brumore ya moy Babil Masala Kuola. Because dolby ye pour lafta pour Babil Masala Ku yawe fo. Bari tewo moy la jang. Mbafula nina Kaburo tema. Kasanche ni ya sannan. Ni ko na 7 meters. Iba sannan tele is only for me. Mbafo ni na kasanche tema. Ibe murale yenya city. Yen saba Kaburo to. Prince. You are not the first person to interview me. Nindo I African bental nung bafulo to mitinoto. Nakumo minfa nkaya ngalo na itenyi eyala because it doesn't favor you. Come Hamar Baka minfa doli. Kaya no ya not journalist but you are join
the list. Whatsoever you said in this platform is gonna fully your responsibility.
It's going to be full my responsibility.
If I said anything here, me yaron kun telenga nyinin karo ke me yaron ko anya terms and conditions manta, that's our responsibility Gambian Media TV.
Quote from me.
But if I ask you any question, answer nyaming, we will air it.
Air it.
Yes.
I will be very happy.
From your schooling,
from my schooling, cadet of Bottrop Technical High School, na main compound be Brikama Santosu, Sane Kunda, around Nyasi Kunda, Busra Primary School Mafunga. Nkabo woto nkata fo Kembuja. What more between ni Tambita Brikama la Cordado bije ngamre, I don't know all those streets. Janibe futala Kembuja na school obedame jebe mbulo konolete. Odomo boss nkabo sojo 25 butut transo. Sometimes I go to school without lunch because of the background of my family. But ma woji bede. Ninga tiyo soto. Sometimes ninga dalaso soto. Na transo bondi I have 75 butut. So that's 75 butut. Ninga transo sang naka this dry this rose granite. Tianding koma. Abanta. Nanko nga jiwala akandro. I am good to go.
In your family, how many of you went to school?
In my family, my father has 2 sons, 3 daughters. But my first son, that is my elder brother, passed away while I was in prison. Befutala woto. Gabriel Samba Kasuoto.
Okay. Yeah. So you have 3 sisters.
I have 3 sisters. They are still alive. So Kabirin game, I was in Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4. That is 94. Yeah, Jimmy took over. I bankota kudeta 22nd July. Yale nunto school. Ika school o soron juna during the time. Pour dinu wale murum back to school form. Pour kela fam parents on makwe senola. So during that school holidays, we ngamwele ko kudeta le bikering Gambia. It one kudeta. I was during that time I was there, but what mo na dindi ya watole. My last son of my mother, I would not that it one kudeta will be Angleterre from my the same mother, but I can't on biology. Kabirin, my aim, Ninte Gita school, I want to be a soldier.
Why? There are so many works that you can able to do. You can be
a doctor,
you can
teacher.
Be a doctor, teacher. But why do you choose to be a soldier?
To defend my nation. That is my cause.
Were you thinking that, maybe one day Jammeh would be a president, or you will have somebody from your area to be a president? That's why I want to defend your country, or you want to you just see that no, that's Fekele Banko defend.
I don't came to the army because of Jammeh. I came to the army since I was almost born in this world. I was born to be a soldier. Either with Jammeh or without Jammeh, I have to serve the nation.
So do you serve the nation?
I serve the Gambia Armed Forces.
For how long in Gambia?
20 years.
When did you join the Gambia Armed Forces?
When I finished school in 1995, that was the first batch of Kinderhof Bottrop Technical High School.
Grade 12?
Grade 5. During that time, we called them grade 5.
Grade 5, okay.
Graduate. That is O-level.
O-level.
I wanted to do my A-level, that is upper 6. But due to the finance constraint of my parents, then I have to go and join the army. But that was my aim. Either with Jammeh, without Jammeh, because during Jawara's time, I was telling them finish the school, they join the army or the gendarmerie. Was in 1992, what time when Amaramageson Kaskara, all the gendarmerie was wiped out. Either you go to police or you come to the army. That's why Jammeh came from gendarmerie to the army on the military police. So Kabirin Gita Form 5, that was 19 intake la selectiono. Ntata selectiono la man succeed.
Yeah, first selection la man succeed.
Ntata selectiono man succeed. I almost na crumble telephone duntan phone train for almost 2 to 3 days, 4 days. They realize somebody is within us. Is above naka is more than the number. Because I love the job, army. Ye molbe falling there almost by this time. Fajara barracks. Ye say more killing command. Yente found scams na phone trainer. 2 days train at Fajara barracks. Aladro. Because I love the job.
So what happened next?
They call for a footer and Tondama Beloring. What is your name, Bab Karsana? How did you join? Because you are not part of the list, the master list now. Ila bagas will be a part until they ball head me. Nana bagas or Tana Mutana. I was staying in a family do compound be faji kundan trata water. But mola diamo atata training aborta aketanya na mahani. I cannot cope with that situation. Fit. Bortan Tatangan Deputy Manda stepfather Noma Basse. He was there as the police commissioner by the name Usman Sane Furaben. And then they get a deputy IGP for Abantai as a deputy IGP. Then I was staying with him in 1996. The whole year 96 I was in Basse. Until that year, there was a heavy flood in Basse.
So Basse la flood monkey science.
It was 1996. 1996 la flood. One any monkey up to date. And what flood ketanyami sabi for Mr. Bojan. Because aketa samale kono jaketa for almost 1 month sama manke for dollar firi fengo betinya kan. So the Basse and the surroundings come nunto chebal mafo mi kayanaka kambengo matra kerinde. So chebal diamuta iko nyantanga sung na aladane. Ye 7 days le sung. After Sunkarode, Bemin Kekan, I'm on the record, Basenkolba Moila. Yes, Sungoke 7 days, the 7th day, yes, Saloke come Gasalkero Kenyam Tobaskin in Korite. It had a Salkera bad Basemana Kunda, Naka Masanya Kunda, the Fana Mabeta of Fenkola, Konga Aladane. So Dula to Alaf Samafinta. jandi molbe bala salakano sama ile faroke 7 days
abe
nyokan fo jiwo mol ka fo nyame joka bonon santu joka bonon duma da se bagwe yaje me joddo ko le ka fo coastal road basse trans basse otumo basse mane kunda ne masajan kunda ko masilo farole bije o fata tep fo jiwo kas falol samba ni bengo o floto.
That was 96.
I am on record. So after that year, 96, there was an attack. Mbalo Kante and others in a Farafenye camp attack. Went to the Basel. No one went to you are but in best Saturday dollar ko Fatako. Naste Father and somebody Prongata ala Teridobije something Sedi, Musa Sedi, Kataka Maku Dokola. So that year went to the Benyo Katola in a Chintole Katika. So nagjati wole afonya kai ha sanin kai nam kai be banko mandia den kai mone be kiri kai rebelo le dunta base naka farafenye kampoto bare kasaro kete jeri ameda mos itle fata je kutumo na fada fango was the police commissioner in URR base steri masajan kunda so wona taje nameda wole nata pukan samba e murude bakto base ko situation be tengila nyamen atemalo I am bondi nanja en samba sokono lungolung both day and night for almost 3 to 4 months fama buke la ranka because of that patrol to make sure that to bring stability and peace in the Gambia, during Babili Masa's time. That was 96. So kabiri waketa ntata je ngafum fama anyway ntata put in a army selection at 19 intake man succeed still now I want to go back to the army. Ako but kelo min keta amen kaya I know that kelo lebe army. I wish ni rebel min dunta pruka instability samana Gambia. I was part of that 19 intake and pass out on Tata Farafenye barracks. I will stand to defend the territorial integrity of the Gambia.
Why those people? You are new to the army.
Yes,
by then you'll be new to the army.
Yes, without fear or favor.
And then those people, they have more experience.
But I'm a trained soldier from training school. During by that time, even from the training school, even I get 2 or 3 days under those instructors by then, they can take me to any battlefront and I will succeed.
It's like you latte from the battle.
Training them.
No, nyakare from latte from the battle.
Anything you do in this world, you have to have confidence in yourself. Hanibe kuriyake kan. Kuriyake in confidence. Wante waleka salam. Kuriyake in confidence. Walati nantibuka kuriyake, anything I'm doing, I'm going to do it with confidence.
So inara munu army la korenk.
So inata munu army after 19 intake la training. Ye training command course na intake made the intake badge called 20 intake. 20 intake. Next time in Nata I will show you all the pictures. I have evidence.
20 intakes.
20 intake. 20 intake. Sabe, ngamerika sabe to mo.
General Musa Sabe.
General Musa Sabe. General Musa is my badge mate.
So you joined with General Musa at the same badge.
But I am more brave than Musa. I mean record.
That's my brigadier general. Yes, brigadier general Musa Sabe.
He's a hero. Gambeno le mabunya but ni tata dafo. Musa Sabe's name is still, his legacy is there.
Jama babi ka Musa Sabe for mutono Gambeno. Ala one of the pictures will be near the cover, whether it's an British army or American soldier or somebody. But
Musa can fit in the British army, can fit in the American army, can fit in the Russian army, can fit in the Israeli army, the best armies in the world. Gambia Armed Forces is part of the best armies. Mafwe bide kuno. Gamela time.
How do you know?
I can proudly beat my chest.
How do you know Gambia Armed Forces is among the best army in the world?
We will reach to that. Nene.
Okay.
Don't rush. Don't put the cart before the horse.
I'm not rushing. That's why I'm cool that I can step by step from your schooling to you join the army and then yeah. So in a selection also.
Nata 20 intake selection. I think it was around January. Around December or January, the selection was announced. Kata, they start from Fajara Barracks, go to Basse, go to other provinces. But me, I was selected at Fajara Barracks. Kabirimbe Basse, I was training because ngalone sani army selection ka Kenyame through experience of that short experience, 19 intake. Till Kando Nkata Borola, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers. Murkajem Borola kafu mani ndini wa muna malahamoti. Ye momo gesiloka.
Atara nyakara watabiro.
Oto nyakara watabiro na.
Amamu follow.
Amamu barabe mona for Gambia. So during the selection, there was our instructors. Oto mondime londe. Modo bi jemin kantol Samba Borola by the name Sangura, abe America Sanye. It's just sort of like you and me, but very terrible. Sangura le kabore katabri kama murang ay murung. Moto mialon ko nakele traffic obe congesting. Sangura be murla tabri kay murung moto man fota brikama. Ndenga mena ka drug les gotomo training kenyalem.
Abalo katokani.
Abalo katokani yalo wala ko funding ke ya wato. Womu nyama to ya wato lemtonya. Marama ke nyama to pour ka fenti nyade. So jaro mu nyama to bari chama to mialon ko to defend the nation. So tata selection on tata trade fenkola selection ola Fajara bara be farine tep ne check na joje foi ka juti fanna. But I always go with my confidence. My confidence will take me to the sky. Nene nyileke, I have to copy nene, mentor nene minking okay. For most school, mobu kan yo spile. Pondol bi ka exam of pass through spile. Wante, Bontela spile is kamole mentor.
Nake coming kar ka Kenya.
So Kabirin Tata Ngamene, I was the second or third group. Almost about we are 30 something. Yemisamba BFT la. And the BFT kata for MRC, tambi MRC, vice the residence medame. Ika start na Walto.
Karamindo.
Kai born kana for Fajara Barracks, kai do 40 school.
That's how many kilometers?
That's about almost 2.5 kilometers. Till Kando pam.
Like how many minutes?
You have to run for at least. Yason ko pastale. You have to run for 9 minutes. 8 minutes. Alayhi salam.
Okay.
Otumo na air soto. Kabirin Tata, when we go as a group, our instructor by then Sangura, otumo civilian wato, preparing to be a soldier. Akadiama be diam kana mo kana bore ay tambintela. Banama ke woti, ndi mbetala ngamurna. But I have to follow instructions from the PTI. Ulem Sangurati. So Kabirim Futata nga cool beke akosani, Jalem the starting point. We are going back to the barracks individually. If you can able to run for 2 minutes, 1 minute, atuta itel. They will according be futala ebe to register according to futata nyame. These are your first exam entry BFT for the selection. Kai wow. Kai then kanaki the BFT in the field. Kabiri ko akot toro pep. Nene na cheka na ndol gibe ko cheya manke cheka na ngoti. It's determination and braveness. It's a chedo to moy. Ya moy. Ka fo cheka na on bade yaje. Ka hane. Inene Salif Sadio Jale. The Casamas rebel leader. Inene yaje face to face. Lamre atole ya interview. Imu gatoleti.
Salif Jale. And that's not the only time I met Salif.
How did you see Salif? When you hear Salif?
Yes, Salif, no. It's like coming at the beginning of Nyamrek. Ndika question jabe mari.
Keo benyame ni aje.
Ye keo lo mi alonko ni aje. Ani yamoy. I jamfara nyola bagare. I camera ko maybe molo mi anko akenyun sarela. But by seeing the guy, I can't come from Ning Mumodi Mianko in another way, Italian Kumo can sempanam. But you should know that there is some of the things me and will buy also. ay kodol so mi yango whether spiritually wala
ala la soro
bari nina benda ni ko eno sarafit no saraf internet. It's like when people hear your voice.
Nyakare.
Who is Nyakare?
Before you yena audio le moy before you see Nyakare.
Yeah, before ngela audio moy after I came to see you like 2 occasion, then from there, ngaje okay, fine.
So kabiri kana audio moy Nyakare kadiamu nyame sembola. Inati Nyakare momaje.
Yeah, because how do you call no? And then I've been following one of your cases, me along what I mean the allegation cut and people you want to
through the government.
And then I saw those ones also. And then there are videos me uncle actually in Babil Mansa Katara Davinto, Combo Kono and in Blado Katara Moto Coma. So I saw those things. I was like, okay, fine. He is supporting Babil Mansa. But all of a sudden what happened, like, Babil Mansa ko ay Nyakare Baile from the party. I was like, something wrong somewhere. Then who is this Nyakare? Abura Mintole. Did Babil Mansa actually know who Nyakare is? How long they have been together? Did Nyakare is like someone brought him to army or upon a service? And Babil Mansa lo nyadil, is he a relation to Babil? Is he related to Babil Mansa? Something like that. So I was like, okay, fine. Then another audio fin katandiko, if anyone who is supporting Babil Mansa or defending Babil Mansa, Nyakare is among the first 5 to defend Babil Mansa. Why Nyakare is defending Babil Mansa? That's my question. There are so many atrocities. Aliyela Babil Mansa kan. TRC kada jananin kukotan Jamal Farolu, the sacrifice will be lale. In 2016, you could know Karam Motor and Kukotan. What happened? What went wrong? When Nyakare Mawajaban, why Nyakare is still supporting Babil Mansa? But what an just I call this is not going to be the only episode, but we are going to have episode 1, episode 2, episode 3.
Name it episode million.
Episode million. Nyakare said episode million. So I counted episode million.
Mr. Nene, Princess Nene Bojang. Yalo ite Bojang, they are my grandparents. Wolem Mbama Wulu.
Bojang.
Mbama Kontong Bojang let. From Kambonguja.
Oh, Holy Kambong.
Nene. Nyakare tata training atata selection at 20 intake. Allah have been so great to me, know my vision and mission. I succeeded in 20 intake. That was one of the best intakes. Until I'm in long. And I have tangible reasons why to back that intake, 20 intake. They call it special intake. Intake no all.
Intake no all. Wale abelon.
Na belelo. Gambela kuola.
Service manual alakana.
My records can TV.
Service manual alakana laila bakala. Ako intake of all.
No all.
Intake so no all. So ko ya belon. So ibajelo ko then actually
I have the reason to say that, Mr. Boja.
What is the reason?
Because the Gambia Army kabiri 1984 because niamo 84 GNA. Gambia Army was formed in 84 GNA. In 1984. Ala fenko ala legacy fele Yundum Barracks jam. We call it a fountain. Abe suffering in 1984. Yame during Jawara la time ola. Yale ngotumo Gambia I feel for Soto and in police. Police de Malong when was the police formed? But niamo 84 GNA. Ikamole soldier or kafo. It was formed in 1984. So walatina army minnata ikatole diala ye number dila wala mila amila tote anila number ti
wala matala 20.
No, it's all the army 84 GNA. Then you call your number, then you call recruit Sane Babukar. Then when you pass it from recruit, then you come to private soldier. From private soldier, then you rose to ranks.
So bri training ke in our Gambia Armed Forces training ke ipareta dol bije isafuno ko because dol panga men bolon ko Nyakare ya bondi from private soldier ya soundi foketa.
I passed through ranks. Nama rank sound up to a sergeant rank. from recruitment 84 JNA 12240. That is my army number and my recruit number. 12240.
12240.
12240. Number.
The 5 numbers.
The 5 numbers.
12240.
Or you call me 240.
240. Nyakare Terminator.
240. Terminator 240. Vibu 240. Namira, you are the one who's supposed to give me that name.
Vibu 240.
Terminator.
So, rang solma.
Kabirim, our training was very, very, very tough because we did 2 phases, the military phase and the paramilitary phase. That's why I said that our intake is a special intake and intake of the best, no all. Because army, nike train as a normal soldier, ibukaluwa witanila. Only few army ethics and the govern the rules and regulation. That is the GAFA. Ikawole fuele demanding.
Ibukaluwa tande. Ibukaluwa.
As a soldier, ntoluwa bansa minfonto kawole bara. Without fear or favor, ill will or affection, and it's supposed to be with lawful orders.
So kafuko luwa mansonina actually no.
Luwa. Jumal ka luwa dila.
To atel side me kafatele obey and complain.
Ole mutolti.
So you have to obey and complain.
That is the army. That is discipline. Hani se ku ko yemialon ka mambetia. Obey it, and after doing it, come near for tai jana doku. Wala na soldier on tolma wati suto. 24 hours around the clock. Ise tara oyegi doko la be. Ye commande nyakare nam, we have a shortage, you have to come and work. I have to obey it. But in the mulika for obey and complain, a camera maybe the naka unlawful orders. Ami buka okede? Maybe come esafale ya fonyamente. But me fotala woto TRRC. Esafal ko ha atul soja ka for obey and complain. If you're not a lawful order on unlawful order, you have to obey and complain. It's not army. It's not true. Nene. Army, we are there to obey because kelo le bije. Nene, just imagine, yetra 48 hours on duties or 72 hours on duties. Ye jina, in la family be working with your loved one. Ye kuma de koda is emergency in the Gambia or in the barracks. You have to go and save life. What are you going to do? Fueba for the hand bill and get a dokola. Ikajele for obey and complain. You have to go back to the army. People has to know. Oladina TRRC is good for Muria Sata Yalo Mulikata Gambia. But don't be the expert here for the core. Soldier will mean tata TRRC. You have to bring soldiers, expert soldiers. Like go to the Nigerian army, the American army, the Ghanaian army. We have experts.
Then TRRC is not
I never in the other way around. Some people are saying TRR is here to stay. For me, I support the TRRC. And in TRRC, I don't work for TRRC. Of course. But why TRRC? I've been looking at it. Then the TRRC is good.
Gambia, nyakare ko TRRC do kana. So
any president serving until Gambia be aketala, TRRC be continue. Katenten rek. So that the leaders who are looking for presidency in this country, they have to be justice. Some leaders are carried away. Until they begin Sembo. For Baroma for 3 years, in 3 years. For when he takes the cake at the ata, and you say no talata imuntole. We put a lot of TRIC is good. I don't against it. Ani jane commission ma against, but me fotaje. For wale kataba, me fotalaje.
So biring wo be botaje, me no wole ninte ko ikara ami rang sole man. Elang selawang kerem do.
Kabirim pass out a training school in 9 months. We are almost there at the training school because we train for 2 phases, the army phase and the paramilitary. And the paramilitary phase to control a crowd. Ye lua fana yitandina the constitution.
So what crowd constitution binaka?
Constitution sa yen karandi walto from training school. Sa nyakare nam ne moje sate kono ibalona la abe minke kan fo is against the law or in favor of the law. Nge tara sanyi nge tara ebe kam na laben marseto ebe kuka kam yalon ko is to in favor the government and the Gambia. It's my duty to arrest you. Hani bibi ngajele ni momo ko ebe kule plan ka Adama Barrow. I will go back to the army to fight and defend the constitution. I'm a reserve soldier. The territorial integrity of the Gambia. That is my blood, my life, my breath. Ali Barrow. Ningaje kasaro benale Barrow. Ibe Barrow mantorola. I will go and defend Barrow.
Did you say this just you having an interview or did you mean it?
Billahi wallahi tallahi. Nene man diamu, nene man finting of titlad lato, and be sitting and sell you katrambala.
You saw any sign coming towards Barrow? As a reserve soldier? If he prepared to defend?
Hani ya jeme fongu ya lonne. Hani ntola kudeta kabiri ya fo, ntola lafta kudeta ke kabaro bondije. Ya jeme up to date. Doesn't that he dislike Barrow, but maybe it told a philosophy of the nation and the governing of the nation. Barrow back kanya yame yamman kontani, but not that ya jeme hate Barrow as a president. Do you know that Barrow before do you know that ya jeme went to Equatorial to save Barrow? Maybe tomorrow, but we will all those will all unfold. Some people are looking for presidential. They are greedy and they are blood presidents before they are presidents. Nene, ye inata nyakare pour kalo mune be caring Gambia kan. Because insecurity in tete fe mabole me alonko. Ya jame went to Equatorial Guinea to save the Gambia. You don't want any bloodshed in the Gambia. And if you want to stay, you will stay. Dole be fala bari babil masa hani ngalaso tamala. But a lot of Gambians will perish their life. We have seen during the impasse, the Senegalese soldiers started selling mortars landing in the Gambia while Jammeh was here. Tell me where in the world a peacekeeping, I will also show you all those documents. A peacekeeping mandate, you go with a mandate. Either peace enforcement or peacekeeping, two things. A peacekeeper, you go with a mandate. So tell me the mandate of Gambian peacekeepers in the Gambia here. What is their mandate? Me, I went to UN and the AU in 2007 when Darfur was shedding blood. And I went to 2016 to Darfur when during the hybrid time. Before episode 1, episode 2, and I tell you episode million.
So, ila rank sol biri wo be bor saying itata
Kabenim pass out at training
school.
Fajara Barracks training school. They post me to Yundum Barracks.
As what?
As an infantry soldier.
Infantry soldier.
And that
in infantry soldier, what does that mean?
Infantry in the army, you have a lot of sections. You have infantry, you have engineers, you have the medics, the band, the military police, the commander a very established army. You have the Air Force, you have the Navy. Like today, the Gambia Armed Forces, we have all those things established by the former president. So I am on the infantry. Like infantry, wale kata chelo kan duma soldier ol mialon ko wale ka chido muta AK-47 iko soldier rebel ol bejan ali dunge.
Defense and attack.
To defense and attack, to kill or to be killed. The backbone of the army is that.
To kill.
Or to be killed.
Yeah. Ali amwel. Hansa inka pale ko after say almost nga monto wat kilingen. Bari mi ko mata betat wala ni ko mbesiri njani mi mbesiri wala nyakare ditameto. APRC pabili mansa. Ala odiro ka sakulete kuja male bi men ko ni nyakare. Ni ndong finyin kolti duno manna. Jifolo ni ndonde. Na mi be ka jaja jifoleti. Finyin ko binyara koton ndongena warambo inana. Because mbe finya male ka jala. Mi yalon ko abe sundi mi wala banko wala nyarota Cairo anintenku. So I have fully from ala schooling aning ala parents o tambere nyamin te baluta min kono awuluta min kono form for that sign for adult service. Then from there atara dami to lam infantry la fannato wolen ko ate yundum baras ala kuluk masoto. So infantry fana be pusa da manding fojani waro ben soldamito. So based on the infantry, what happened?
Kabirin pass out and Tata Yundum Barracks. They divide us, our intake, Kabiri told select, we were almost about 100 and Nimanyina 130. But in Kabin told we pass out come because of the hectic of the training. Our training commandant was General Second today. Otmo, he was a lieutenant.
So many have trained and still I will service.
How of course. I don't hear any of my instructor passing away. As a Ken, or maybe if my memories can serve me well, million training will be army. Like Second was the training school commandant. General Tamba from Casa Kunda was our training school, one of our CSMs, the training school, Sergeant Major.
Why is General Tamba?
General Tamba, it only in Keba Tatan Ectorian. After ye Murunanang, ye RC detain Yundumbara after Samba Court Marshal, attending Umpa.
Well, Ansumana Tamba.
Ansumana General Ansumana Tamba. Chiriti gain in Dunia Konomiano Kamalo. So
Tambale?
Tamba be Casa Kunda. Because they call them, we are the loyalists to Babel Masa. Yeah, no, it's
so attending General Umpament.
I all work under him. General Tamba trained me at the training school, and finally I came and worked under him at State House as the State House RSM. Ninte betiata nimam betia. Woli alone. Nimam betia itole mante betiande. But yentul train for the interest of the state, not for an individual like Kumdolka for them. They are the loyalists of Babili Mansa.
Jamabai whatever. You guys are very loyal to Babili Mansa than loyal to state.
Like a prince, Nyanta was stop lale. Just call the soldiers, the loyalists to the state, because it's a total sacrifice. We are trained to be killed or to kill. To kill in the sense of anybody who want to just sabotage or jeopardize the interest of the state, or to bring chaosness of the country. We are here. My mission and my vision is for the Gambia, and my blood, my life is for the Gambia. And I will tell you a lot of things. No life, Janabali safe. Me alon ko nimma safe no. Some alabe nyinin kala people will die. I did national and internationally. So Kabirin be faja mbe Yundum Barracks. 97, end of 97, and somebody Yundum Barracks, mbe Yundum Barracks, 97, 98, 99. I was married in 1998. This is my first daughter. Awuluta Kampot. It's in the Alima. Born on the 29th of July, 1999. Koyajele Sanch, Musolem. But they were not staying with me because I was staying in bachelor's quarters. So Tata Kajibe and Abama be staying in Damen Joshua. I was coming back home during that night. In that Dokolan Kabinin Gita, Tata Purka Jibe, because I love my family. I was coming back during that night around 10, 11, 12 Suto. Nim van Labang on Minkabonam Westfield, Kanabri Kama, Utumotialo, Utmoning Transgambia Ning, Nin Dobul and Yajimela Sambanyan. For Yajima Sambana, Samba Ectoragin. Journalist what? For Jelete, Jabila. I will let that me reserve question.
That's I know the viewers only by
So I was coming, it was a single lane, and what more Ni Serekunda Brika Masilola, Samakono, Akaterabule. 5 o'clock na done. Then in Fitro, Nisa for a Teragabukamotosuta. Ekastrobule. Namiri Gambian will be or you bellonet. So during that time, around that 99, after my daughter was born, so I was coming. No van was selling. I mean, what was the last van Kabona Westfield at Abrikama. van kutama pull 18 passengers. Nene, I am telling you something this. We are coming. Vano be diale nyame driver fana ba soska wole wotumo silo mambetea. Denin driver be siri nyatu ntolo mo saba. So ntebe siri in the other passenger seat. In driver temante I was the third person sitting in the center. Bortena mbundunta na lamendron. So boyo nying mimbe siri in the other side of the moto nyato nying. Ajita inaka Willisla Johnson Auto. So ntol driver moto source dron. Jani be fotala St. Peter's Primary School rek nyanko mo botana tilibo ma fara ka cross tiligi ma fonga suto driveway dreko muta domanding be accident o soto la auto mangamo passengers tol bije ba foka driver doman driver ko atebe koronto ren ndewo man fem fode because sojaro ngi so jatale so on futera St. Peter's la ben la marché be dame auto mo jebe mu wulo ko na accident o soto a fatal accident
ifan
driver simfulo be katita hani dol mimbe moto koma mimbe sinte koma dol fataje I don't know whether 3 dead ba barente ni la watu masi nene sonko ala be kiri na ni momo e naye vano jibe iko nyim moto nyi accident o min keta jang mole be jamim balota ba fala hana sako mimbe sini nyato costa kabonan Brikama ma fonla and wotu mo nyi woya fa wo costa nyi State House costa le tol malo fo ko kabona programme fo mun tole bujinga lembang fo kanina lembang so driver fana be burkane rosola bari nyim costa nyi man fenko de nyen driver nyi wole na silo bula ngamira dinko le be tema aka silo bula kata costa be daben e nyo semolto e collide wolto face to face wam motola area motola nyato bele bomta
andite moto nyato
ntebe moto nyato nte han baramo ma barama but if I said this I am on record whether people will believe on it or will not believe on it intenga bamole moy boom no wuro moy nante ngam fanje banta so the milbe surrounding of that area mo accident ko kada jami je boy mo wulo ko bare motola impako moli wala moy mur bortana ya banjulunde la ambulance o commandina anata pour kany mil baramata mili fata je ke samba je nene inte bota moto ko no bota je nyame malon I cannot explain that up to date akate nyame ko just like akate nyen spiritual quality so I was going towards Yundum bara woto mo besteni Yundum barracks jandi be fotala kampoto man fota wato kampolo bare nan falle je na bungo kono. Oh wow, this is what? Is this magic or what? So Aketa, it was either on a Sunday, the following day, Monday, or during working days.
Yeah.
So boss do bija kabona during jamela time wala boss kabona break serekunda do kabona breakama. Minka sojaro samana kana do kola. Inata e vano tra Lawrence lokan accident wa ko bari ni accident o graw tane de nte futata ti following day somo na wulta ngan kun ngan dress tada do ko
e wonta hal tanro pour que balo jibe
wala man barama de yalla mi tala do tane kalo ni fa
internal pain also is part of it
fondi ga wato malo balo man ji jasa so molbe sojalo be kacha kan na RSM mo bije RSM Cissé Modou Cissé wala mtola echu kampla RSM mot so ibe diam kay ko anu sojarol bijane de mi an ko botanye they were a part of this incident
accident
ko no yalante my name is Nyakare is famous
so Nyakare ya soro juna
Nyakare sort of training school. I forget to tell you how I get the name Nyakare. Yali in schooling time they used to call me Tisios the Great.
But yaji Tul Seattle
Nyakare. In schooling time they call me Tisios. In the army they call me Nyakare. When I came from prison, they call me the Terminator. I think now you are going to call me Terminator 240.
Terminator 240. 240. Terminator 240. Nyakare Terminator 240.
Because of my army number. So Nyakare, when we were training, I was very agile. I was among the shortest. So maybe next edition, Ninata, I will show you my recruitment. In Indol Milbe School. But I was the smallest, I was the youngest. Because I went to the army when I was exactly 18.
18.
So, yalo nibe army, they will tell you to sing songs for Kamul entertain. So I used to sing a song by the entitled the name Nyakare Bolise Jola song. Oh, jabo jakare, ha, jomuro jate lupe, jomuro ni pipiro de lupe, baya jata nyila olola, ukana losi hajas popola. And it's a very nice Jola song. And the whole intake of the song, until you forgot this thing is almost second to the national anthem. Niko, oh, jabo nyakare, the whole intake, ibamole chorus, the bass. Then in alcohol, Jomuro, Jate Lupe, then they'll call Jomuro, the Pipiro de Lupe. Bajata Nila, Olola, Ukana Losi Hajas Popola. And it's Sabi Nanyanka, he can able to sing this. So this is the name Nyakare came about. Nyakare. Ila Nyakare tos, Ila Nyakare don't kill us in number. This is the way they call me Nyakare. Any name you see, Nteman fan tola o tola de. Mole tola.
So after being accident,
it was a fatal accident. So the following day I went to work. Yeah. Na RSM nata kalamta ko Nyakare was also part of this incident. Otumete lorin para RSM ko ali Nyakare kumadena. Alaikum salam. Yan kumadena. Akai RSM ko Nyakare ko yesa. Iko accident wo minkata la meja you are part of the kanka yesa. Ibe siri muntu nkai be siri nyato in drive. Accident ko keda nkai RSM cannot explain it. But ngalo ne guy is dead and there is serious injury. Ite baramate muntu nkai wallahi mambarama. Yemo ne sitting kai fente mbala.
Nyakare mo ne siti wolum.
Foku lobe ka fo camera to ba.
Barbutu ngolu ngoy mo ne siti. Bawo iko yenyi ni kale mo ne siti ko ma fensi. Wala wole fensi tile. Wala ba parer ne fana.
Alala tolem. Kundani follow ngamera baitu like ikamwele baitu like afone ako saligiyo ni saligiyo bela ule mkundani follow ntenene manta dulato ala to finko mo manta nengoto bari wato lem ni wato fana mansi kani dunia be se tafaw ni la wato mansi push. That is the faith I have. RSM ko foeta lopitano to foeta Mr. Bojang, just imagine tenga army suffer 20 years. I never have an ED.
Kafoko bimbalo mang diama mbato siso.
Nene masasa army kono. I don't have any army folder. I'm on record. Kafo iko biya be sasa ni talopitano to Nyakare la kaito fele ala samana anyile kadimi. Nene mausoto army.
Yeah, always active.
Always active and always ready to serve. Moleka allegation is there for everybody. But if at all what they are alleging you is true, that is the question mark. Nobody is above allegation. Hani alafanka allegedly. Alaman fair, alaman betia. Munata na Mr. Bojang nyinya ninteka. Munata na follow the Mr. Bojang na. So why not me? Kabiringo accident wakata RSM yan kumandi yan samba ako foye talopta. Nda RSM manta balo fentena fonga impako min soto de. What my first mobile mobile dina ami simen. So motola impako ni mobile fonga lipa janga imbarama wo bruso binyana wo dama wole mina impako ti. So then RSM obe and complain. Then tata lopta to yembalo be check. So doctor nyinga ay RSM kola kai anyway na check le de bare we don't see any internal injury ama baramara soto. RSM ko ali ED diala. Nkai don't give me ED being left kata duties. Ekai Nyakare obe and complain we have to give you ED 48 hours eta relax. Na ED tale bare obe and complain malafika ED ta. Na ED ta ntara kampo
But ED is good for you.
To me it's not good. I want to go and walk.
After ED tighter so on, do you feel anything?
I didn't feel anything. Mbe currently ED bangata ngaburu lokola. And mbe la ren kampoto. wotumo yaje mela time ibe juuti simanta juuti de yaje mela ke feed you feed by the government, by the army. American feed.
So time of that part 1 bari janim be maybe 10 minutes ni wala la because salwat of nasina being itara yo edita then utam rank malbe bulo.
I was a private soldier. I was a private soldier for 10 years.
10 years.
Amanku ngekuriale ke bari watu le masi pour na ranko so. Ntenga na Lance Corporal City when I was a close protection to Jammeh. Nana Corporal Ranko City.
How did you get close to Jammeh? How do they select you out of thousands of soldiers? How did they select you to get close to Jammeh?
I think that one is supposed to be episode 2 because it's a long road. So Mr. Bojang, Kabiri war incident keta within 2 weeks. Commando course fintetana. So war course Kabiri nga commando course ke war course len Samba State House.
Ale commando course ke mindo.
Na ke PTS jam.
Dimala train wo.
Libyan len train ya jame expertol bunda from Libyan commandos and in combined with Gambian instructors. Me alon ko wole fana commando experience soto. Ayalon I force back somebody no Libya. Kata commando course la. So Kabiri botaje so ngamere anin Gaddafi by then they negotiate pour Gaddafi ayala soldier kendo commando kendo sambana Gambia jang pour ka Gambia soldier fana train to be commandos. So the commando enaka commander at Libya ya jeme wole sambana jang pour ka Gambia no train to be commandos with no fear or favor. Commando is one of the most terrible course in the service.
Commando training. Train jaw balon.
La ilaha illallah. Hanni mo fataje ibari mo fataje wote balle training na. Ka fo -1. Hanni singo katita. Ibe singo le talale ye crep. Ye bandas. Ye doko de la continue training. Ni mo ya fay ba fo le he bari nyin kare be wuli yale la. That is the course.
After being commando train data.
So Kabiri go training kumasita. It was a terrible commando course. Nte yente to bonde na ndame. Ngame to bonde na from State House to headquarters, from headquarters the signals strepo naka signals kina to na campoto then arasemi ya command akai nyakaren kai nam. Kai te ofinti tale de kotenkede. But with this incident can you able to go and do nkai arasem nkai I will never fail my unit and I will never fail even you. I will go to the commando course and I will set a record. I am going to challenge anybody who is part of that commando course. And
so you went to commando course?
I went to commando course. Boro what sometimes kata boro la by this time kata eta ye ticket or tanam tawokoto. Ye borna ye ticket or surrender at PTS.
Inumbara.
Police
Banjul school.
I will show you all those training photos. Automobile labare aning din wonye boy baro soto. Kabiri after that commando course. After the last phase of the commando course, in Nyanta Tamale 195 kilometers in 2 days.
You mind the
commando course.
So Akele.
Akele. Well, the last day of the commando course.
122 kilometers.
195 kilometers.
195 kilometers.
In 2 days.
Ale utamindo, kamindo.
Come ye bot Banjulonding. Yeta for Brikama. Yeta for naka Tanje. Tanje di Tanje ta bichole site. Yeta for Katong. Yena ingana ngala Serekunandinjang. Ni tambita na Mandina ba. Suta do bijele ngala woto ngaus first night ke woto wala ngo sama lipata
ale fon bes nanda
sojaro masina ngo aman kandilo aman kilo
aman sina wala aman
yeah wala na ka fo we are just like AK-47 we operate in one condition a special commando ka fo saika bahar jaw that is this Arabic language saika mean commando ba wala mi ko you operate on land bahar in water jaw Olem Sambat. and I can able to operate on those things.
So after Commando 3, what happened?
After Commando course, then I was redeployed to State House Battalion in 2000.
Under who?
Under the commander of, by then the commander was Lantombon Tamba, was the State Guard commander. But under all umbrella, the commander-in-chief, His Excellency, Sir Professor Dr. Alaji Ayajame, my hero. I'm an episode of Badana Janem start a life in State House.
Akamna ndefon kana wol fo bari. Nyakare fon pele ayab. So kalten to kalje, this is the first episode. Then the second episode, inshallah, ni alasonda. Ba fana feeling lale within few days so kon inshallah ni alasonda. So e bajele ko den ba continue lan fo nyakare tameto aya falna ato fora nyamito. Ato na da nyamito. Ana baba tambita nyamito. Aning ay family so nyamito tambita nyamito. But the most important area sol bina wol fanala bakere mi yalon ko wolom ala stay in State House, being atara State House mune tambina, because I am mezo jelo ko han jamme dingo ngamre ko ka fenkal no adum
Mariam ani Muhammad,
you were taking care of those,
of course, ana ya jame from Obama,
and ya jam Obama. So iba jelo ko den jumaro nyakare jamme kete nyaade wa nyakare still lo to jamme wise ne jama baba pala ko karadu wa pala ko jamme man beti abetenne par nyakare ko no ala banko anin jamme nyakare mun abone service e wona no nyakare borun ko la service tumina allegation lekan ye sabra court masalla mune keta what happened o borun ko la je nyakare still now abe APRC babe man support kam. Do you believe that ko nyakare want to be a presidential candidate? Do you have that belief? Nyaka, do you want to be a presidential candidate?
To be a president?
No.
You can be a defender of a president.
You can be a defender of a president.
For maybe alala chito de. But fama nene mafonye fonye nyene kila masati.
Bi ni ko yema se anyine iba nyinda.
Ni ko yema ngama se anyine.
If you have the chance.
You are asking me a big question. Ni ko ngama se anyine.
Allah baraka bake. Mbada na Janet. Thank you very much. Nyakare. Terminate.